Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial video, we will create a program that will ask the user to give three numbers, and then our program will add the sum of the three numbers using pointers in C programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, supporters, subscribers, followers in my channel. Thank you for your support. I would like to shout out Marshmallow, Miss Robelin, and Sir Ernel, who are always watching our videos. If you are new in my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. I'm using Dev C++ as my integrated development environment. So we have your sharp includes tdo.h. It is an input-output command in C. So in main, it is the starting point of every C program. Begin, and then I have here several variables, first, second, and third, and then sum, and then we have here three variables for pointers, pointer A, pointer B, and pointer C, in our program in C language. So we have here printf or print formatting in C, new line. And then the title of our program, printf or print formatting, addition of three numbers using pointers in C. Line number 10, we have here two new line, horizontal backslash 10. Line number 11 and 12, we are asking the user to give three numbers that will be stored in our variable first, second, and third. All three variables is decimal format. When we say decimal format, it refers to integer. When we say integer, it is a whole number, positive and negative number. Now, variable A is a pointer to first, variable B pointing to second variable, variable C for the third. And then sum will act as assignment statement in line number 16, equals as pointer A plus pointer B plus pointer C. And then in this line of code, we will display the result, the sum of percent T is percent T first, second, and third, and sum. And then here we have here end of program, which informs us that the program has been ended, and then we close our program in C. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of addition of three numbers using pointers in C. Okay, so let us compile and run. Okay, right now our program is running. Addition of three numbers using pointers in C. Give three numbers. We have 6, 5, and 4. The total sum of 6, 5, and 4 is 15. End of program. Another example: 12, 13, 10. The total sum of 12, 13, and 10 is 35. End of program. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create addition of three numbers using pointers in C. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, click the notification bell so that you will be notified in my newly uploaded video. And please subscribe to my channel if you are new. Thank you so much for your support. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.